Hi everyone, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to put two of my favorite things together, and that's gnomes and beads. Today we're making spring garland and it's going to cost us around $5. So if you want to see how I made this, just keep on watching. But before I start the video, I just want to remind everyone, if you love saving money, be sure to check out my other YouTube channel where I show you on Amazon how to use codes to drop prices or lightning deals like this by just clipping a coupon. You drop it for $15 to $8.74, or these hampers, their price dropped down to $15.99 for both of them. Or today I just uploaded this video. It's a Robo Alive toy. And it's $3.63, or this price drop at Walmart for those cubes 6-pack for only $15.84. So definitely be sure to check out my other YouTube channel. You might find something that you like. And this mascara is super popular. I just showed them over there how to drop it down to $13.59 for 5 of them. That's like getting each one less than $2.75. But I'm going to put the link for you down in the description box so you can check that out. And if you like what you see, be sure to subscribe, because today I am uploading tons of Cricut deals and crafting deals. Now let's get on with the video. So here I picked up the gnome garland from Dollar Tree and these beads, two packs of the gnomes and 2 packs of those beads. Now I'm going to use the same twine that the garland originally comes with, and we're basically just going to put the gnomes and the beads together. I'm going to take 3 beads and then I'm going to put in 1 gnome, 3 beads, 1 gnome, and so on. Trust me, nobody's even going to know that this was made from Dollar Tree items. It really looks like high-end, and it doesn't look like it only costs us $5 to make. So I'm going to go ahead and show you right now. So I'm putting 3 beads and I'm sticking to the same order where it's like teal and the blue one and then the pink, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab my first gnome, and I have them organized in a way where how I want them, in the order that I want it to be. So now I'm just taking my twine, going through the back and returning to the back again, and then I'm just going to continue on putting beads and gnomes. And to help keep the gnomes in place, because the beads tend to go behind the gnomes, so I did add a little tiny dab of hot glue onto the back just to keep the twine and the gnome where it should be. Are you guys ready for this? Here's my cordless glue gun. Yes, I'm showing off. Nobody told me how easy it is, and it's life-changing, honestly, with the cordless glue guns. But I'm taking that twine that was on the beads, and because I love the way it looks, I'm just going to tie that up to the ends. And here's our garland. We're pretty much done, and it costs us $5 to make this, but it definitely looks awesome, and I love it because I love gnomes and beads. So if you're anything like me, you're gonna love this project. So definitely give it a try. So I'll be hanging that over my fireplace this season. And yeah, so let me know what you think down in the comments. You know, I'd love to hear from you. So be sure to stop by the comment section and let me know what you think. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. And be sure to share with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Oh, and I love you all. Bye.